Actually, my name is Saud Al-Adel. I am a general manager of Dunkin' Donut. I operate Dunkin' Donut in Saudi Arabia and in Bahrain. In Saudi Arabia and in Bahrain, we have more than 300 outlets in Saudi Arabia, and our plan to open more and more outlets in Bahrain. For the time being, we have 3 shops in Bahrain for this year. Next year, we plan to open more than 5 shops.
Dunkin' Donuts was founded in the year 1950 by Bob Rosenberg, and we now have more than 12,000 locations across the world. So this is 12,050th. So yeah, so we continue growing. Saud is one of our best partners. Is #1 country in the world in terms of growth. So it's a big blessing for us to be associated with a partner like Saud to come into Bahrain. So we are very happy and excited about the prospects of Dunkin' Donuts in Bahrain. It is doing exceedingly well. We are very strong in the US. We sell a lot of coffee. Though the name says Dunkin' Donuts, we are very big in coffee. Extremely big in coffee, and that is the ritualistic behavior we want to give to the customers in Bahrain as well, to give our great, freshly made, brewed coffee day in and day out. And we are successful in many countries across Asia, Middle East, Europe, Latin America. My geography actually spread in Middle East, Europe, Latin America. I handle all this, including India. So we are there in pretty much everywhere. We have more than 1,000 shops in Korea, 1,000 shops in Philippines, 500 shops in Thailand. As we said, we have nearly 300 shops in Saudi. So we are spread across the world.
Yeah, well, you can see the crowd outside. How is it? That's the first day, and the expectation. They've been waiting for a very long time for Dunkin' Donut to open in Bahrain. Now, finally, with all of this effort that we put, now we announced today is the opening of Dunkin' Donut in Bahrain.
When you open any new market, we have a lot of challenges. Not knowing, people don't know about. They only heard the name. They don't know about donuts. Don't know about coffee. So we want people to taste our coffee. We offer great value. We will offer value like no other brand in Bahrain. We make it affordable. We give great quality coffee and donut at an affordable price. Very affordable. But we want all the people in Bahrain to know that. That is our challenge. Once we know our product is great. We know we'll not have a problem. We just want people to know. That is our singular challenge, and that is why we are doing all these things. And we'll continue to do. We'll continue to surprise the customers in Bahrain in a positive manner by giving them great tasting coffee and donut at a fantastic price. You'll get a great coffee and a donut at one BD. No other brand come anywhere close. It's the pricing.
Right.
It is the value.
Value, quality, and pricing.
See, value is not just about giving low price. Value is about giving a great product at a fantastic price. And that is what we are doing. That combination gives you great value. That is what we are offering. So that's why we are so successful in the region. And we see no reason why we should not be successful here. Bahrainis love us. They have been asking us to come here. They have been sending mails to us saying, when are you opening in Bahrain? So this is a call where we are answering their call, and answering their need. We sell sandwiches also. We sell a lot of sandwiches, and other bakery products will keep coming. And Baskin Robbins is our sister brand. We own Baskin Robbins and Dunkin' Donuts. So we have ice cream there. We have donuts and coffee here along with sandwiches. So yeah. We have a long way to go here only before we get into something else. Across the world and in Saudi, it has not affected at all. Because what has happened is, if people are concerned, we are also. We offer the wide range of products. Some have different level of, calories and other things. So the choice is the customers. We believe in giving the customer the choice. If he wants to indulge, let him indulge. He wants something healthy, more healthy for him, let him. If he wants something without sugar, he has a choice of taking coffee without sugar. So we believe in giving customers the choice, so that we are not going to impose something on the customer, but he has a choice. And we'll offer the entire range of products that we offer across the world that is good for the customer, and then they make the choice.
Well, actually, this message for the coffee lovers.
Yeah.
Okay. We're more than coffee than donut. If you know what's the meaning of Dunkin' Donut, behind of the meaning of Dunkin' Donut, if you know basketball, there is a sport called slam dunk. So it's dunking the donut in the coffee. So we are a coffee more than donut. So my message to the coffee lovers and donut lovers, that finally Dunkin' Donuts is in Bahrain. We will serve daily a fresh, pure coffee every day.